Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Campfire Clover Seed in Grow a Garden. So this seed can be obtained from the Campfire Seed Pack, and to get these seed packs, you will need to submit fruits to the Burnaby during the Campfire event. And once you have a Campfire Seed Pack, just open it and hope for some good luck, because this Campfire Clover Seed has divine rarity. That means it's one of the rarer rewards and there's no guarantee way to get it. And a good strategy is to save up multiple seed packs before opening them. And the more packs you have, the better your chance of eventually getting these Campfire Clover seeds. And after you get it, just simply plant it to your garden and wait for it to grow. But first, the seed will look like this. This one. It will look like this. It has a brown color. And when it's grow, the plants will look like this. This one. In here I can't show the full grown versions yet because mine is still growing, but it will look like something like this. And the Campfire Clover is also a multi-harvest crop, so you can collect from it multiple times. And it has a sale value from 20 to 1000 coins. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!